A mix of rain and snow means a higher chance of slipping and sliding on those roads out there. KXLY4's Janet O in North Spokane County right now. Janet, how are the conditions where you're at?
Well, Autumn, obviously the snow has stopped, but there's a light drizzle and the wind has really started to pick up. At the 5 o'clock hour, we were standing in a lot of slush. Right now, that slush has turned into ice. But if you're driving on Interstate 90 or 395, you're not going to run into too many problems. The roadway has been cleared of all the slush. Road crews have been making their rounds doing that this afternoon. Earlier today, the winds and the slush led a driver of the semi-truck, to roll over into the ditch. The driver did walk away with minor injuries. The farther up north we drove, areas like Clayton, it got pounded with snow earlier. Now, of course, much of it has melted, but in areas of North Spokane County and North Idaho, driving conditions are still pretty tricky, and drivers, well, they're just trying to be cautious.
Know your driving abilities, pretty much.
And I see you got some sandbags in the back of your truck.
Yeah, I just picked those up in Spokane, actually. Get them, add weight, anything to keep yourself on the road.
Well, and as drivers mentioned to us, they have to drive slower and be cautious with the winter storm warning until tomorrow afternoon. The road conditions are still going to be pretty tricky to drive on. We'll have an update for you tonight on KXLY 4 at 11. Reporting live in North Spokane County, Janet O, KXLY 4.